guys, Shelby with Spray-Tec here. Today we are here with our friend, Ben Monsma. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah. I'm Ben Monsma. I work with Creative Polymer Solutions. We make AccuFoam spray foam insulation and rugged coatings for the roofing and exterior projects.
Okay, so today we're here to kind of do a little myth busting with spray foam, fact versus fiction, and Ben's gonna help us break these down. So you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Okay. Fact versus fiction. Spray foam is toxic.
Ooh, that's a fiction. You know, under proper installation, so being trained by the manufacturer, validating that all your equipment's working, that's definitely a fiction. So spray foam is chemically inert once installed. The real part that everybody sees is the guys spraying and wearing these huge bunny suits with fresh air and masks on. There is legitimate parts to that because as we're making this foam, it's being custom fit to the building. So in that process, there is that initial off-gassing, but once cured, we're talking, 24 hours at most, it's chemically inert. So then all you have to do is get rid of the residual smell and ensure that it's being made properly.
So then how do companies, manufacturers prove that their foam is safe and non-toxic?
Yeah, so we go through national testing standards, ASTM, that are designed to test and measure the levels of toxicity, and that these claims we're making aren't just fictional claims. So VOCs are measured, the air changes during the installation process are documented for that re-entry and reoccupancy time, and then ultimately it's testing, is that material chemically cured? So the aging studies. We have to do all of that initial, short-term, and long-term national testing. So that is through our technical data sheet and evaluation reports.
Fact or fiction? Buildings need to breathe.
That is a hot button topic. Buildings need to breathe really refers to the residential and commercial building, the traditional way of building roofs. So we always say, or always hear, I should say, is that buildings need to breathe. They don't need to breathe. They are not living things. Buildings do not have lungs. They do not require oxygen. They require moisture management and also expelling any of that old stale air. So proper ventilation. So buildings need to breathe, definitely fiction. They need proper ventilation and moisture management. So spray foam gives you the control, HVAC system takes care of the rest.
Now there are a lot more myths, but our last that we're going to address today is fact or fiction. Spray foam is too expensive.
Definitely fiction, but what this hits most often is how are people thinking about cost and investments. So up front, bottom of the line, that price tag you see, yes, more expensive. Long-term benefits far outweigh it. We're talking about reduced strain on your HVAC system, better indoor air quality, so your health concerns are put to rest. So those long-term benefits is where spray foam pays off. So it is not more expensive in the long term, even though it appears that way up front.
So it's savings you'll see at the end rather than the beginning.
Savings and health benefits you'll see over the lifetime of your building.